This is just insane. Holy crap. Okay, we are in the same place we usually do our running and usually do our working out, I guess. But man, it's snowing today, like legit snow for the first time, that I might have been in Kyoto like last year as well. Like, this is insane. Like, holy crap. Like, just look at it. It's insane. But yeah, I'm loving this. This is honestly one of the most beautiful sights I've seen in a long time. I mean, I went on a hike recently and saw extremely beautiful sights, but like, I don't know, the walking and the whole experience of being in snow is feels so good. This is usually where I do the push-ups and the pull-up bar right there. Oh man. Well, I'm on my way to Kinkakuji. Hopefully the snow will remain like this by the time I get there. But I just wanted to honestly just shoot a video because this is what I'm talking about when I'm saying like winter in Japan is so underrated. Holy crap. Okay. Okay. Might as well film the experience of actually going to the station because it's still so beautiful. Okay, I actually need to come up with a topic. Maybe just something off the cuff, like how beauty just changes your chemistry and also your mind about things. So the impromptu topic is just how beauty affects the mind, how beauty in general affects like just your state of being. And honestly, it's like it's so beautiful to the point where like I don't feel any cold at all. Like I just feel happy and good. And some of my friends know that I just love the snow so much. Like when I went hiking and I just saw a little bit of snowfall, I was already so happy. But this is just like next level. I seriously can't describe how beautiful it is. It's like the camera is not capturing it well at all. Like there are like just little snow fall like hovering in the air, like little dots of white snow, and the sun is making it shine a little bit too, and it's glistening, and it's just, my God, like I can't, I have like no words for this, like, but I've also seen something similar last year in Eikando Zenninji. This time I'm heading to Kinkakuji. Hopefully it stays like this. I don't know, but it'll be around the time it opens when I go. So, but yeah, like going out to see stuff like this every once in a while. Like last week, I went on a hike, um, and just seeing the nice sights like every once in a while really helps with everything. I feel like helps with the mood, helps with like whatever you're working on in life. It gives you a renewal of energy and everything like that. But this is like, I don't know. It makes me feel like every decision I've made, like I'm very, it's good. I'm very happy about it. But just a feeling, I feel, definitely. But I guess that's the tip is to try your best to go out and see something like this once in a while. Okay, almost at the station. That is absolutely beautiful. Holy crap.